Hey, art friends, last week we did this really cool abstract design.
Yeah, it was
And-
like tons of ripples and squiggles.
Yeah, squiggles. This time we're going to do another abstract drawing, but we're going to use something else.
Lines.
Yeah, straight lines. We hope you're going to follow along with us. Now, you can also just use our drawings as inspiration. You don't have to make your drawing look exactly like us.
Yep.
You need something to draw with.
Marker.
Yeah, and some.
Some purple.
Yeah, paper. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw a border around our paper so that we don't have to draw our markers all the way to the edge.
Yeah.
So we'll just draw freehand straight lines all the way down the side, each side of our paper. If you guys need extra time to finish any of these steps, remember you can always
Pause the video.
pause the video. All right, now we're gonna draw lines right down the middle of our paper. We're gonna split it down the middle. So I'm gonna use my eye to measure. You could use a ruler for this
Yeah.
project if you wanted to. That would make it look even cooler, but I think it's fun to practice drawing straight lines freehand. I'm also gonna turn my paper this way and split it down the middle also. It's okay if it's not perfect.
Yeah.
My lines are kind of wobbly and wiggly. Now let's divide our paper diagonally. So we're going to draw a line that goes right through the middle and down to the bottom corner. Whoa, I like that line. That's cool. I think sometimes it's easier to pull a straight line directly towards your body.
Yeah.
So we can turn our paper diagonal like this, start at the top, and then pull the line towards your body. Now we're ready to start our design, and we're first going to do the steps really slowly for this first shape, the first triangle, and we're always going to start in the corner, the outside four corners. So we'll start up here. We're going to start on the point, and the first line, watch this, we're going to draw a line that's diagonal, and we're going to come down, and we're just going to crash right into the next line. So we start close and then get further away. On every single time we draw a line, we're going to repeat that same step.
Okay.
So now we're going to start where we just left off, and we're going to draw a line going up. We're going to start close, and then we're going to get further away towards the end and crash right into the line. Another thing you can do each time you're drawing a line, you could turn your paper. That might make it a little easier. So now we're going to start right where we left off. We're going to draw another line. Comes down and it gets wider towards the bottom. Do you see how we're repeating the same step every time, but we're just turning our paper? So now we could turn our paper again, and we're actually right where we started, but look, we're getting smaller. The shape, the triangle is getting smaller and smaller. So let's start at the point again. We're going to pull the line towards us and get further away towards the bottom. The more you practice this design, the more you can do it without picking up the marker, and you can just keep going all the way around and get faster and faster. So I'm going to turn my paper again just to make it a little easier. Start close and then get further away at the bottom. I'm going to keep turning my paper. Start there where we left off, come all the way down, get further away towards the bottom. It's already starting to look really cool. All right, now let's do the same thing. We're just going to, maybe we could fast forward now. Hopefully our art friends kind of understand the concept. We're just going to keep going until we've closed in this entire shape. So it's going to get smaller and smaller until we get to the very center. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
That looks so cool.
Yeah, it does.
Now we need to do the next shape. When we're going to do this one right next to it, we're going to repeat the same step, but we're going to flip it. So we'll start at the top again, the outside corner. And this time we're going to come all the way down. We're going to get further towards the bottom, further away towards the bottom. And then we're going to crash into this line. Let's do a couple more steps, a couple more lines, and then we'll fast forward again. So we're going to start here. We're going to get further away towards the bottom. And then I'm going to, look at this. You can even turn it all the way upside down if you want. Oh, my hand's a little squeaky. And then I'm going to turn it this way, and then we're going to keep going. All right, I think we should fast forward again for this shape. We're just going to keep going until it gets smaller and smaller, just like we did up here.
Yeah.
It's really cool how simple lines can make our drawing look super three-dimensional, even though we haven't added any shading.
Yeah, it looks really cool, but I think we should finish our drawing.
Yeah, me too. In this part, we're going to fast forward until our whole drawing is completed. We're just going to repeat the same steps. Every time we start a new shape, we're going to start on the outside corner. So we'll start here, and we'll come up, and we'll get further away right here.
Yeah.
You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Let's do it. All right, Jack, we did it. We finished drawing our abstract designs. They look really cool, all finished.
Yeah, it does. I think we should do a lot more of these.
Yeah, we should. And we could try all different patterns. We could try different shapes too.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your abstract design.
Yeah, I bet they turned out really cool. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye. Hey, parents and teachers, take a photo of your child's finished artwork and post it on Facebook or Instagram. Also be sure to tag us in it at Art for Kids Hub. Did you know that we also have a website? You can find it at artforkidshub.com. It has more lessons and information about art supplies we love to use. You can also visit artforkidshub.tv to learn more about our awesome Art Hub membership. The membership includes exclusive lessons and our own apps, so your child can learn art in a focused, distraction-free environment.